Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. I have another DIY for you. These are a pair of slides that I did something with last year. I have that video that I'm going to put down in the link, but I got tired of them, so I took everything off, and as you can see, there's still glue on these, hot glue. I tried to pick it off the best I could, but what we are going to do is put these lovely stones, rhinestones and pearl stones on the shoes. Now I have a variety of sizes here. I got these big ones here from Hobby Lobby, and it came in a pack of multiple colors, and I just picked out all of the big pink ones. And these here, I either got them from eBay or from Amazon. I'm not sure. I've had them for a while, but I believe these are the 2mm size in the rhinestones and the pearls. So what we're going to do now, I printed the Nike check. As you know, these are not Nike shoes, but we're about to definitely make our own. I did 3 different sizes, and I'm just going to cut the large out. Now the other supplies that we're going to need is E6000 glue. I got the jewelry and bead one just because it has a smaller nozzle, and I wanted to make sure that I was able to put the glue in just the right spots. You're also going to need a glove and a tool to pick up with. This is a skewer. You can get like a pack of these for like $2 at Walmart, and all I did was put a dab of glue on the end, or you can put some double sticky. Now first thing I'm going to do is trace my Nike check. As you can see, I cut it out from the paper. I didn't think I needed to explain that because of course everybody knows you print then cut, and now we're going to trace. I am holding my Nike check down, but the smart thing to do is add a little bit of double-sided tape, or tape and fold it in half and stick it on the back, so that way you won't have to hold it down. But I wasn't thinking about that. So next you're going to take your E6000 glue, and like I said, this one has the small nozzle, and you're just going to go along the inside and the lines of the Nike check that you just drew out, and you're going to place the stones right along there. As you can see, I definitely had to speed this up because otherwise you guys would get so super bored. But this glue nozzle, it comes out perfectly, but it also comes out very slowly. This is good for people that are just learning because this glue will set pretty fast on you, and having small amounts come out is really good. But if you know how E6000 works, then the one with the wider nozzle, the regular bottle, is better to use. I still like using this though for this check, but I would definitely go to the wider nozzle after this. But I did not on this tutorial because I did not have another bottle, so I had to work with the smaller nozzle. Now that the Nike check is complete, we're going to start on the side of the shoe and work our way all the way around to the other side. You're going to do the same exact thing that you did for the Nike check. You're going to apply a section of glue, and then what I decided to do was just make this very random. There's no pattern at all when it comes to my placement here. I'm just making sure that I add more of the smaller stones than the bigger stones. As you can see that my stones are like a pink color and then a fuchsia. I wanted more fuchsia colors on there because the flop or slide is more of a fuchsia tone, and then I'm using the pink as an accent. Now when it comes to the super big stones, I did not want those close together at all because I thought it was going to look a little funny. So I made sure that I spread them out. I think I used about 8 stones of the large per slide, but don't quote me on that. I didn't actually count them. But yes, you're just going to continue this method. You want to make sure that you do not apply too much glue in one area or a large section, because if you're going to work slowly on it, by the time you get to parts of the section, the glue would have started to set in and dry, and the stones will not stick. Blinging out shoes takes quite a bit of time, but once you have your finished product, it is definitely well worth it. This is what the shoes look like, completely done. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and start blinging out every pair of your shoes. I hope you guys definitely hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.